Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide or block a specific video on YouTube Kids using your Windows computer. If there's a video you don't want your child to see again, here's exactly how to remove it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.youtubekids.com. Then sign in with your Google account if needed. Once you are on the home page, browse or search for the video you want to block. Now, look for the three-dot menu located in the corner of the video thumbnail. Click on it and then choose Block this video from the drop-down options. And that's it, guys. The video will now be hidden and won't appear again in your child's feed. Remember, you can also block entire channels by selecting Block this channel instead, right from the same menu. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.